Facts about the U.S. that may surprise you. The hottest air on Earth is recorded in Death Valley, California at 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Hawaii is the only state whose borders don't have a single straight line. Unlike all the others, the southernmost point of the USA is not in Florida or Hawaii, but in American Samoa. Alaska is a huge state, about 20% of the U.S. territory, but less than 1% of the total population lives there. Moreover, Alaska is the most western, northern, and eastern state at the same time as the 180th meridian crosses Alaska and leaves part of it in the eastern hemisphere. Some small part of Minnesota is completely separated from the rest of the state by a lake and surrounded by Canada. Nebraska is the only state triple, landlocked, and equally distant from all oceans by state count. The city of Washington is not in Washington state. Mount Monarchy is 13,800 feet above sea level. But if you measure the height of the mountain from its base to the top, it's taller than Mount Everest's height above sea level.